welcome back to my channel. This is Richa and you're watching Rich Tell Tales. For everyone who's new, consider subscribing before leaving. Now let's talk about today's video. Now, as you guys have already seen from the title, today's video is very different than my usual haul video. It's a kitchen haul video from Amazon, and this is the first time I'm doing this on my channel. Why? Because we recently moved to a new city, to a new apartment, and everything in the kitchen had to be bought from scratch. So I've ordered a couple of pieces, like a ton of pieces from Amazon.
Oh yeah.
And I think I never really liked Amazon before. I mean, for my footwear needs, I used to head out to other websites. For fashion needs, there were so many of these in India. But I think Amazon now, I've started to grow to like it, because it's like one-stop shop, one website, and you have everything under the roof. And there will be a lot of hauls in the future from Amazon as well. So do let me know if you guys enjoyed today's video. I would be encouraged to make many such more. Also, you guys must be wondering, the background's changed. Where am I? Also, I'm not sitting today, I'm standing. So yes, we are in the kitchen, and I thought of just filming this video here, not just because it's a kitchen haul, but just because it's gonna be really easy for me to show you guys everything that I bought, because everything that I bought was probably 2-3 weeks back. Most of the items have been opened from the boxes and everything's at its correct place. So in the kitchen, everything's just close by, and I'll be able to show you that real quick. So let's just begin with the first item. So this is the first item I bought. It's basically a blender. It needs batteries, so you can put the batteries, and this is where you put the batteries from. So it's really nice. It's very convenient for eggs, or probably when you're making coffee, and I've used it a ton of times. Of course, the links for all the items and the prices of all of these will be listed in the description box, so you guys can check it out. If you feel it makes sense for you to buy this, and this was something you were looking out for. The second thing I bought is this stand from Amazon. So I really like my mugs and glasses to be on this rather than just kept in the modular kitchen, because I feel this is more easily accessible to everyone at home, and there's no need for opening a drawer and pulling out few mugs or cups or whatever. So I wanted a stand which can accommodate at least 12 glasses or mugs, and that's why I bought this one. This was very reasonably priced, and just what is shown in the picture on Amazon. So I'm really happy and glad that the seller just posted a real picture, and this is totally in sync with what I thought. So the material is steel, so it's pretty sturdy. I usually keep all 12 mugs on it, and it still stands very well. Now that we're talking about stands, let me just quickly get done with this one right here. This is the third piece that I've purchased from Amazon. This is also a stand. It's like a multi-purpose stand. You can use it to keep your masala box. You can just keep oil, or probably coffee or sugar, or whatever is suiting you more. I have, of course, kept a mix of everything on this stand. It's not very huge, but it's decently sized, so it can pretty much accommodate everything that we would want to keep on as. Also, the material is steel again, so it's pretty sturdy, and it has these rubber bottoms which just help it stand even better. So I was really glad I ordered both the stands, because both have turned out to be economically priced, and at the same time the quality is great as well. Stand which I got is this tissue holder. It's actually a stand cum tissue holder. So the finishing of this one is black metallic, and this is how I actually wanted it to be. I did not want a steel or a wooden holder, because I feel it doesn't look great in the kitchen. So this is holding all the kitchen paper rolls in my kitchen for now. You can just place it like it is, or you can hang it somewhere if you have a bolt or something. I have just placed it like it is here in the kitchen. The next item I purchased was a pair of scissors, most essential in a kitchen. I think you can never have enough scissors. So this was like a nice steady pair which is blue and black in color, and yes, if I talk about the quality, it has turned out decent as well. This is an opener, which is again a must-have. Of course, everything had to be taken from scratch for our kitchen. So this was another item which I'm pretty happy with because it's stainless steel. Again, the brand is Crystal, and I have opened almost all the bottles, from ketchup bottles to beer bottles, everything, and it works very well. The next item is this dustbin right here. It's a multi-purpose dustbin. It's really cute. I like the color. It's brown, and at the same time the size was just perfect. This is from Plasto World Mart. That's what is written on the dustbin, and this is how it opens up. I haven't really started using this one, but so far so good. The product looks nice, and I'm sure the durability and the size is this big. So if you want like a small dustbin for kitchen use, then this is like the perfect piece. These are the two bottles which I got. I know I'm saying two and just showing you one, but it's actually a pair. I've kept olive oil in one and I've kept normal sunflower oil in the other. I don't like using oil bottles as it is when you purchase them from the grocery. So these are pretty huge for a normal couple, but I think 1 liter oil bottle or sachet or whatever you get, so this is pretty good for that. And of course the nozzle here is great as well. It is just perfect so that you're not pouring in a lot more than what is required in your food. So oil needs to be poured in small quantities, at least in bare minimum quantities, and that's why I really like the top as well. I don't like one of those bottles which just has a dhakkan and you open it and then you pour it from here. That is like, oh my god, using so much of oil in your food. Nothing against people who like oil in their food, but we personally don't like it. So these bottles came in really handy. They're quite reasonably priced as well. The quality is great, so I don't think it's like a big problem if the price of the product is slightly more. The next thing I bought are these pair of mugs. Yeah, these are just multi-purpose mugs, but they actually mention that these are beer mugs, so you can have coffee or lassi or whatever in it pretty much. And these were really affordable, like hardly 150 bucks I think for two, and the quality is really great. So I am happy with these glasses as well. I never thought that something like glasses will be so readily available on Amazon, and of course the quality as well, because these are from Milton and these are Trio by Milton. So I'm really happy with all the buys I have made from Amazon. Of course the home decor buys will be shown in the next video, but so far it's been great. So when I ordered the beer mug glasses, I had to order wine glasses for myself, and these are the wine glasses which I have bought. They're really nice. This is the cut which I was looking out for wine glasses. I wasn't looking out for those basic ones. I think I had those previously. So yes, so these are really nice. The packaging is great. They've actually packaged it like this first and then it's kept in the wooden box. So for the price, I feel it's a great bargain, and if you guys are looking out for wine glasses and good ones, then you shouldn't miss these. Now of course we have covered so much, but I haven't really shown you the basics which are needed in a kitchen. The most essential, a kadhai, which we Indians need all the time to make veggies, etc. So coincidentally I got this kadhai from Amazon, and it's so good. It's so good. I mean, I can't tell you. This is probably one of the best buys I've ever made from Amazon, not just from this particular haul. This is in black color. It's so sturdy and so strong. It's total iron. Obviously the handles also I really like because these are in gold, and I've made so many veggies in this already, and a lot of people who have visited us have actually asked where I got this kadhai from, because this quality is not easily available everywhere. Yes, this was a great buy for me, and I've been using this left, right, center. So last but not the least, this item right here. This is like a tawa, which is again in iron and super strong. I like how the handle is, and of course holding it is a task because it's super heavy, but this is what I was actually looking out for because it's so important you make food in great utensils. At the end of the day, everything's going inside your tummy, right? So I'm really happy with this purchase of mine as well. It's actually from the brand Craftenka. Yeah, the link will be shared below. Now the last and final item is this right here. It's from IKEA, but I've ordered this from Amazon. It's like a multi-purpose holder, though I've kept all the plastic polythenes, etc. It's really good. So one, you can just paste it up. It has a stick-on at the back. Otherwise, you can also just put a hook or like a screw, and then you can just hang it right there. So they're both the options available, and I really like it. It actually comes like a flat board, and then you have to make it round basically, and it's very easy to do. Also, it's super light, so, and it's from IKEA, so it has to be great quality. So that's as far as my Amazon kitchen haul is concerned, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it and consider subscribing before leaving. If you want to see more Amazon hauls, do mention in the comments below. Until next time, this is Richa signing out. Ta-da!